Namaste friends, welcome to Infinity Pi Math. Today we are going to solve this cubic equation. The question is, if x cube plus x square is equal to 150, find the value of x. There are several methods available to solve this equation, but today we are going to solve this equation using some algebraic formulas. We can write this equation as x cube plus x square minus 150 is equal to 0. In this equation, you can see one cube term is there and another square term is there. So, let us apply two algebraic formulas here. That is, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b multiply with a square plus ab plus b square. Similarly, a square minus b square is equal to a minus b multiply with a plus b. Now, as you can see, this x cube represents this a cube and this x square represents this a square. But there is no b cube present and also there is no b square present in this equation. But we have 150. Then we have to think to divide this 150 number into two different numbers where we can convert this as b cube and b square. If we write 150 as 125 and 25, then it will become 150, and as we know 125 is 5 cube and 25 is 5 square. So we can write this equation as x cube plus x square minus 150. We can write it as minus 125 minus 25 is equal to 0. Now arranging this equation, we can write x cube minus 125 plus x square minus 25 is equal to 0. Now we can write this equation as x cube minus 125 is 5 cube plus x square minus 25 is 5 square is equal to 0. Now we can apply the formula a cube minus b cube, that is a minus b whole multiply with a square plus ab plus b square here, and we can write this as a cube minus b cube, that is a minus b multiply with a square, that is x square plus ab, that is 5 into x plus b square, that is 5 square is 25, plus likewise x square minus 5 square, we can write it as x minus 5 multiply with x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now from these two terms x minus 5 is common, so let us take x minus 5 as common. Then we can write x minus 5 whole multiply with, this is x square plus 5x plus 25. From this term we can take plus x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now we can write this as x minus 5 multiply with x square plus 6x plus 30 is equal to 0. And from this equation we can say either x minus 5 is equal to 0 or x square plus 6x plus 30 is equal to 0. When x minus 5 is equal to 0, then we can say x is equal to 5. Hence, this is one real solution for this equation. Now, let us solve this quadratic equation. Here, we can say a is equal to 1, b is equal to 6 and c is equal to 30. Then, the solution is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square, that is 6 square 36 minus 4 into 1 into c, that is 30 divided by 2a, 2 into 1, 2. Then we can write it as minus 6 plus minus square root of 36 minus 120 divided by 2. Hence we can write this as minus 6 plus minus square root of minus 84 divided by 2, and then we can write this as minus 6 plus minus square root of 84 and square root of minus 1 is I divided by 2. Hence this is another solution and the answers are in complex numbers. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it enjoyable and informative. If you did, I kindly ask for your support by liking, sharing and subscribing to this channel. Thanks again. Until next time, take care and bye bye.